we're back with another tractor pull today. We're just bringing the 1175 and we're going all the way to Osceola. Should be a fun time. We're gonna hopefully pull in 2 classes, but it's pretty cold this morning, so we're gonna see how she starts. Okay guys, let's play a game. It's called Rate the Park Job. Now do a little spin, show around where we are. Pretty good. Well guys, it's about 9 o'clock, about 9:30 at night. 13,000 pound class, we'll see how it goes. We weighed in about 12,770. 12,770. So we're a little short, but who cares? I didn't want to bring the heavyweights, it's a lot of work, and we'll see how she goes. I don't think we'll win anything, but I hope to get about mid-pack. We'll see what happens.
This is the last of the, what do we call it, yellow, tan, whatever. After that, they're all white colored. This is from Minnesota, Gavin Linder. Wow, that is a really nice pull.
No. Wait.
So that's all Smoky Tractors. This was a lot of fun. We went 238 feet or 6 feet. I can't remember, but I was in second place at one point. I got knocked out of second and third pretty quick, but I had a blast driving this thing. It looked great, it pulled good, and that's all I can ask for until we upgrade it more. Should I ask them? Do I ask them? Guys, please hit that like and subscribe button for me so I can keep posting content with this guy and the other tractors. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great week.